back and do another tutorial. You know, today we are going to build a bee farm. But make sure you have lots of space, like this much space. And next to where your base is, you have lots of them. But you can have lots of them too, if you want. Today we will need 2 levers, 2 of the, okay, let's just go in. Sticky pistons, these sticky pistons at the other side. Lever, sticky piston, but to make sure it's next to the sticky piston. And then that pushes out and pushes in. And then you make another one. And another one. See, I've got all 3 pistons pushing out. 4 big pistons pushing out. And after that, we will need, I don't know what this is going to be, but it's very strange. We'll need so many sensible things, like beehive, chest, C-block. I don't know what this chest is doing right now, right? It's strange. But I'll not do anything to it. For now, I'll just put a sand block there. So we've got all different things that are made out of wood.
That's good.
So that's made out of dirt. That's made out of little bits of salt and pepper. This is made out of honeycomb. And today my house is terribly big because it reaches to the moon. And see, I've got a little farm over there which I can live in and punch people and kill people.
No.
But let's just get on. And then after that, we need whatever material you need, but as long as it's any of this cotton. It's cotton. Well, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Then the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure that's 5 too. And then the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. And then the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're all 5. And then we build the walls up. You put the beehive. See the beehive there? After that goes down. I put an orange block there. I'll put another lever. That doesn't help either. Oh yeah, I remember what needs to go there. A suspenser, which is one of these blocks with this silly old frog's mouth on. Which I don't know why they've put it on there. And then after that, we keep building the walls up with orange blocks. make sure there's a 2 space. Make sure we don't go into suspense. And then make this. Like this. Fill that 2 space up. Go in. And get a pot. You'll need 8 along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get off now, little donkey. You'll need pots along there. And then all of these one more. I don't know what actually this is, but it's something strange, which I've never built before. This is something interesting, so you have to go in it. See, that's why I'm making a door on the pathway to that lever. You're going to pull it. And another one doing that, but let's go. And that is something strange to do. See, I've built a tool stalk with beehives somewhere like that and grass on the top. We aren't going to do that. Let's see, we've got that point at the bottom. So we've got that gently bit that gently goes up. Even to build that. Build it, which is good.
Don't hurt the bees.
Oh no. Oh, you just flew through the room's door. You are crazy. And then after that, and then after that, we have to leave that open. And put the beehive and a beehive and a beehive. Guess what we're putting in? We're putting in
Bees.
bees.
What flowers?
Oh. And they're going to buzz out the door and find flowers. When they're busy buzzing, them buzz creatures. Look at that baby bee. Don't worry, baby bee. You're a stupid baby bee. I don't know why I said that. Oh! Why did I just hit you, crazy bee? And you're crazy, by the way. Go away, crazy bee. And then after that, we will need some more crazy bees. One more row. We're going to find flowers and bring it back. Today this place is going terrible because I've built so many stuff and I have so many houses. And we can put one more row. What's more? Whoa, sorry! Terrible bees. And then after that, all we need to do is make the roof, which is the roof. But make sure the roof is flat, or you can do it pointy if you want. And that's one final big bit with a chicken in. A crazy chicken. I made sure the final touch. And you could also do this outside, which is a spider cruncher. But bye, that's the end of the video, and joking ya.